Yan, hello everyone, good morning. Today is June 1. Andito kami sa Shell, Pampanga yata. Pampanga pa to. So, pupunta kami ng Baguio City with Nikki, my daughter, and kasama ko si Pupe. Tapos ang ganda ng view rito, kitang-kita yung pakita natin, Mount Arayat. Si Winter, napakadalang gamitin. Ang mileage nito 8,000 pa lang. More than 2 years. So yan oh. Halos magkasinlaki na, konti na lang.
Hello!
Tell them we're going in Baguio.
We're going in Baguio.
Oh, we're still jumping. Like kangaroo, we're going in Baguio. How about you?
Good morning.
This is my bunso.
Hi.
Bunso, ano na?
I'm good.
Ha?
Feel good. Feel happy.
Happy? Hello ma'am, good afternoon. Taho po, taho. Like po, taho. Dito sa Baguio ngayon, pero hindi siya ganun kalamig. Summer season nga, yun o. Marketing.
Before na honey, no, 2 years old. Always like that. And then she put the head to it.
Ikaw naman o.
Oh, I remember.
Ang galing o. Taga saan kayo ma'am?
Bayambang pa po.
Ang galing o.
Akala din ang page ko.
Ay, ano pa si ma'am?
Charlene Vlogs po.
Bayambang.
Pangasinan.
Inakit niyo yan?
Ba?
Inakit niyo?
Opo.
Ang galing o.
Yung page niya po. Yung page niya po.
Nelson Led sa YouTube.
Ay, YouTube kayo.
Nelson Led. Mga motorcycle shop. Galing ha.
Naka-DJI.
Sige, ingat kayo, ingat.
Ingat din pa.
Ayan. Galing nila mama sir. Ayan o. Mga nakabike. Hindi ko kakayanin yan. Yan mga guys, on the way kami sa The Mansion. Meron siyang parking dito sa sa kabila. Before kasi dito ang parking dito. Ngayon, bawal na mag-park yan. Tapos before, nakakaparada sa harap ng The Mansion. Bawal na din. At meron na rito pay parking. Yan, nandito kami sa The Mansions. At as maswerte, open. Minsan sarado to eh. So yan, ino-open nila The Mansion. Sa kanan, sa right side, right part. Ayan, syempre kailangan naka-shade. Parang maganda sa litrato. Maski na makulimlim. Ayan o.
Honey, let's take a picture with that one.
Oo.
Honey, selfie.
Kasi yung camera mo.
Selfie mo no.
Ito. I-zoom natin. Ayan o. Vlog mo anak. Hello. So maganda yung weather, makulimlim pero hindi siya umuulan. Siguro sa bandang hapon maulan dito. Sabi nga rin ng friend ko from Baguio.
What's that is that?
Here, you missed it.
Right park. Ayan o. Ang dami yung pine trees. Ayan, ayun mo din ako. Ayan, yung tubig na to, laging berde. Ayan o. Where are you going, honey? Yan, dito naman kami sa Mines View. Gusto ko lang bumili ng puset na inihaw. Ayun o. Ayun o. Yan, dito kami nag-check-in sa Paragon Hotel. Malapit lang to sa Good Taste. Walking distance sa Good Taste, walking distance sa Burnham Park. So gagawin namin, dito namin magka-park. Tapos lakad-lakad lang. Meron silang free breakfast for 2 yan sa Fortune. Yan, naka-check-in na kami. Sa kagandahan dito, ang check-in pa to pagka naman vacant yung room. Pwede na kayo mag-early check-in. So, ito ang kanilang lobby. Ayan. Ganda ng lobby nila, oh. How are you? Okay na? Okay na? Ayan. Tapos marami silang paintings rito na superhero. Meron siya rito.
Yan.
Ayan. Pakita natin yung room rate nila. Kung makikita nyo yan. Oh. Tingnan nyo na lang. Hindi ko nakikita eh. So ayan. Nakikita ko may 4,050. Isa lang pala to. Yun. Sabi niyo po may 3,000 plus. Kala ko po may 3,000 plus.
Ano sir, 20% discount po. Yung standard room, pwede yung ibigay ng 20% discount ngayong...
Bait pala ni Madam. Ma'am,
May mga promo.
Ma'am, thank you Ay, bawal pa, bawal.
It's okay.
Kaya lang, ayun. So, ayan. Sige ma'am, thank you po
Oo, sige po sir. Pwede
Yan.
sir, 20% off kapag
Naka-avail ba kami ng off, ma'am? Hindi.
kayo sir, sa online kayo.
Pagka ganun po, hindi.
Mas mahal yung binayaran.
Ganun ma'am. Mas okay pa pala walk-in.
Ayaw po sir, kasi ang binayaran mo sa online, 4,320.
Pero kung dito ba may 4,420, magkano po yun?
3,000. Pwede sir, 3,445.
Ganun din po, may free breakfast din po yun.
Yes po.
Ayun, may binigay na tips si ma'am pagka...
Bigyan ko kayo ng calling.
Ikaw ma'am, kukontakin ko ma'am.
Pwede naman.
Sige po. Ma'am, thank you
Sige po.
Ano po name mo ma'am?
Marisa.
Si Ma'am Marisa yan. So, ito yung mga rooms nila rito. Ito yung hallway. May mga hallway kaming na ibubuk before. Parang parang may lalabas na multo. Ito maganda naman. Medyo modern na yung niya. Ito, 414 tayo. Ito daki. Ayun, ang gamit lang susi lang. Wala siyang card key. Okay lang yun. Ayan. Ayan. Hindi yata nakalak. At ang room. Ito na ang room. 2 bedroom. 2 beds pala. At subukan natin ang CR kung maganda. Sir, thank you, sir. I give him 2,000. Galante yan eh. Ayan, may mga toiletries na rin. Ayan, oh. May sabon. May toothbrush, toothpaste, may shampoo. At may bathtub. Ayan o. Kaya lang, walang
Bat bomb.
bath bomb.
Bat bomb.
Bath bomb. We will look in Pure Gold. Yes, Pure Gold beside this hotel lang. At meron silang TV. Honey, can you check the TV? If they have Netflix.
I will turn on whole night.
Ayan, yung mga nakabubok namin, mga magandang hotel pa. Netflix, kailangan yung sarili account yung pagamitin. Titingnan natin kung meron. Wala daw. So, ayan. Kung medyo turn on the aircon, please. Maganda rin yung room. What can you say, honey, about our room?
Okay, good.
You tell them, how is our room? Ano? Ano?
Good, beautiful.
Ayan po, naloka na naman. Where's mommy medicine? Naloka na naman. Oh! This is not cabin. Close mo, close mo. Close mo. Close mo, close mo. Fully close. Ah, wait lang. Yung mo ba little? Ito po yung kanyang closet. Look like closet lang. Open mo. Napakagaling naman dito. Ayun o. May microwave. Ayun o. Microwave oven.
Honey, ba't Marno wala?
Quiet.
Aircon, no?
Meron pang water kettle. At
Wow.
merong refrigerator. You open the refrigerator. The other side. Ay, din nga.
Wow.
Wow! Ang daming walang laman. So, yan. May baso rampa. Ayan. Maganda rin. So, kabiruin nyo, ang check-in namin, dapat 2 p.m. Mabait si madam. Pina-check-in na tayo.
What time are we check-in? 12.
Oo nga.
But exactly is 2.
Come here. Dito ka. From here, you jump to the bed.
Not bad.
I will try if you pilay. Is it soft? Oh, how about this cabinet?
Iron.
Meron silang iron. Ayan, saka
Iron table.
iron board. How about on the side pa? There. You open mo. Magaling si anak eh. Ayan. You open the other side. Oh! Sleeper. Check mo, there's money inside the vault.
Empty.
Ah, wala. So, yan. Wala Netflix, ani? So, mamaya natin check yun.
Wala.
Maganda yung room niya, pasado. Ayan, o. At syempre, isa pa to sa maganda sa ano eh. Sa mga hotel, yung view natin sa window. Tingnan natin. Ito kasi nasa city na to eh. Parang hindi maganda ang view rito. Ayan, kitang-kita poste. Ayan o. So maganda rito. Gasoline station. Maganda kasi rito, malapit sa mga pasyalan. Sa Burnham Park. Sa Good Taste. So, just clean.
Aircon.
No. Ayun. So, yan. Bye-bye muna.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Asa ka ba?
I'm over.
Ayan.
Bye-bye.
Ayan, bye-bye. Yan, di makakomplento ang pagbabagay nyo pag hindi kayo kumain rito sa Good Taste. Pag sa Good Taste, taste good. Order kami ng buttered chicken. Nakita nyo naman isang order niya. Napakadami. Tapos chop suey with lechon, fried rice, at 2 slices of cake para kay Mickey at para kay Honey. Ayan. What is that taste you explain to your
Aroy.
Aroy?
Masarap.
In English, in Tagalog.
Yummy. Masarap.
Masarap. Oh, you taste mo.
Try some.
Tastes like cake. Ito po pala may buko juice. So, kain muna kami guys. Yan yung bicycle area, maluwag. May mga time na pupunta ka rito, napakasikip. Oh,
Left by sweet
ayan. Pag ito bumuka yung bibig na parang sweet ang dating. Honey, let's buy. Basta ang dating ano ito, pagka yumakap, dumikit sa akin at malambing yung boses. Kasunod na yan, honey, let's buy. Diba? Ayan o.
By masarap.
Ayan.
By happy.
Meron silang go-kart, meron silang trike.
The world is rushing. rushing past us, chasing deadlines, chasing time. Lost in the future, obsessed with the next climb. But look right here beside us, just slow down and see the quiet, gentle magic that happens naturally. The way the light hits softly, the coffee's perfect steam. A scene too sweet for dreaming, better than any dream. Don't let the small things vanish, don't let them disappear. These are the quiet anchors that keep us steady here. Hold your breath just for a second, let the rush subside. We're living in beautiful moments, we have to freeze the frame. Tiny flashes of perfection, worth more than fortune or fame. It's the unexpected laughter, the hand held in the rain, the sudden clear awareness that we won't pass this way again. These simple, honest treasures, we collect them one by one. These are the beautiful moments beneath the morning sun. I remember sitting silently, just watching you read a book. The comfortable, easy feeling in every single look. No need for grand pronouncements, no need for drama or noise. Just the pure, shared existence, filling us with joys. A sudden favorite song playing on the radio, a gentle, knowing glance, a quiet, peaceful glow. Don't let the small things vanish, don't let them disappear. These are the quiet anchors that keep us steady here. Hold your breath just for a second, let the rush subside. We're living in beautiful moments, we have to freeze the frame. Tiny flashes of perfection, worth more than fortune or fame. It's the unexpected laughter, the hand held in the rain, the sudden clear awareness that we won't pass this way again. These simple, honest treasures, we collect them one by one. These are the beautiful moments beneath the morning sun. They don't come wrapped in ribbons or delivered to your door. You have to actively seek them and ask for nothing more, because the true wealth of a lifetime isn't what you earn or spend. It's the memory of these moments that follow to the end. Just pause right here. Capture the beautiful moments before they turn to air.